Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. A quick late evening update before I wrap it up and go to nighty night, right? And we'll take a look at XRP real quick. You can see, just like we predicted, phenomenally predicted, we told you with this green ring up here, that we were going to get rejected. We told you in here it was going to pump up to here and then get rejected and then down to here. Most likely then it could pump back up like this and then it was going to fall. But we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected that, and had you avert and subvert the criminal gangster cartel and the market manipulators and the fleece heisters and shysters. Right? This is our target that we're going to come down to, down in here somewhere. Oh, no, that was supposed to be over there. That was the last time it crashed. But we diagnosed this rising wedge for you within our fib circles. And we told you the price was going to do exactly this. And remember when I was going to watch the foosball game, the Michigan game, right there, the price was sitting about here getting rejected after this pump. And I said it was going to go like this and then bam, it was going to spike up and hit this upper ring at 125 and then crash. And it's so far a phenomenal call because it hit that beautifully. And since it touched the ring, it's down 10.69%. And I would expect it to go down a little bit farther right now, down to the 200-day moving average, maybe even down to this ring right here, but more likely down to the moving average. And then you could get bought back up to back test this old lower support, now upper resistance, to get rejected, and then you kick down farther. But everything's going according to plan that I've been forecasting with my new and exclusive rings that I've brought to you on the crypto sphere and on my station. And I think this forecast is going to come out to be beautiful, just as what happened here the last time we touched this ring. That's why I've been giving you this warning. The last time we touched the ring, see that? See where we hit that ring there? Price collapsed 46.69%. And we just touched the ring again, right? When we almost touched it here, the price collapsed. See what I'm saying? So the price is going to collapse, and I think this is a phenomenal forecast by Vincenzo and Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, right? Another industry exclusive, best in the business, in the YouTube sphere for a reason. Now, if we go to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin price, when we were sitting in here last week, dancing in between these two rings, gotta get that ring up. That one's always hard to get. Never get that fucker. There we go. There we go. It was dancing in between these two rings right here, right? Remember that when the price was right here? See that? And we told you if it bounced up, this would be as high as you get, and then you'd get violently rejected by that yellow ring, right? And then when it dipped down here Sunday night, we told you this was probably a fake out, and it could get bought back up, and it did. But now what I think is going to go on here is all these rings. You have the orange ring. You have the yellow ring. Yellow and orange are too close. You got the orange ring, the yellow ring, the red ring, right? All trending down. And this is going to force Bitcoin down like I've been telling you, like this. And then Bitcoin's going down because we have a big November crash, right? The consolidation is taking a little bit longer than I thought, but it's going to happen. The price is going to end up way down here. It's going to start trading way down, right? And then you're going to come way down. Then you're going to break that green support box down by these blue rings, and you're going to be down in here, right? But it's going to be for November, so you're going to be like this. You're going to start to come down, get supported by that ring, then break down, get supported by the blue box, get rejected by the red line, come down to the orange support line, and then come down to the orange ring, and then trade in between this blue box until the end of the year, and it's the first of the year. You're going to be down in there. It's going to industry exclusive forecast, and it's going to happen. Now let's look at some of these other coins real quick. Dent, Jerome, my man, I forgot Dent the last few days, but the last time we did this, we told you what usually happens is you come and back test this old upper resistance, and now you're coming back down there to try to back test. So I would look forward to do this and maybe even come down like that, right? and maybe trade back down into this falling wedge. And this was just one big fake out up there. So if you don't hold this 0.004619 level, you're going to break back into this falling wedge, right, like this. You're almost coming back down. If you come back down, then you're going to step down, get rejected, you know, and then trade something like that, right? You're going to be back into this falling wedge if you can't hold support, which to me, with the volume, it looks like you're not going to hold and you're coming back down, and you might come back down to the bottom of this wedge. So be very cautious if you're in there. I would have a target price of the top of the shit house if you get rejected down about where we have our already had one of these little price labels. But this needs to be like this, and that needs to be black. No, black, and then this needs to be green. See how much better that looks. Same with this. Get that blue out of there. We need the black right there, and then the green, and then it looks so much easier. And then we're just going to delete that, and delete all those, and delete that, and delete that, right? But that's what I'd be watching out for with our industry exclusive scribbly lines down here. That's what I think you're going to do in the dent. What else do we got? The XP, whatever. Oh, we broke to the upside, and look at that. We made it just above our target we had if you broke to the upside, and you did. So now you broke out of that pattern finally, and it looks like you're going for an all enticing, glowing, gorgeous double top. And we're going to bring out our volume profile to get a little bit of an idea of what we got going on here. And oh yeah, if you fail to hold this up here, this double top, you're going to have a big fall. This could be just a classic jabroni enticing double top, and then you start to roll back over, and you end up down here by this volume profile. Would be my forecast for this coin. If you get rejected where you're at now, or if we pull this up, it's a perfect double top. If you get rejected there, I would say you're going to come back down with our industry exclusive rectangle box service. I would say you're going to come back and trade right into this range. That would be my forecast. You're going to come back down and trade down into this level. Oops. You're going to trade down into that level. That would be my target. If you get rejected where you're at now, you're going to end up trading, get rejected, hit support, then hit resistance, and you're going to end up trading back into here and then in the immediate short term. Like, subscribe, and share to my many 20 new subscribers today. I appreciate and love all of you. Peace and love. Peace and love.